Are you tired of seeing barely any interest accumulate in your traditional savings account? You're not alone. For a long time, banks offered rock-bottom interest rates that left many of us feeling like our money was just sitting there, doing nothing. But then, a new kind of financial tool came along, promising to help you save and invest without even thinking about it. That's where Acorns comes in. But how does Acorns actually compare when it comes to interest rates? It's not a simple one-to-one comparison, because Acorns is not a bank. It's a micro-investing platform with a suite of financial products, including an FDIC-insured checking account and emergency fund. When you look at Acorns' checking and emergency fund accounts, they offer impressive annual percentage yields. In fact, their emergency fund account currently offers a high APY of 4.05% and the checking account offers 2.57%. This is a significant difference compared to what you'd typically find at a large traditional bank, where savings account interest rates often hover around a small fraction of a percent. However, many online-only banks and credit unions have been stepping up their game. They offer what are known as high-yield savings accounts, or HYSAs, with interest rates that can compete directly with Acorns. Some of these accounts offer APYs of 4% or even higher. It really comes down to finding the best rate at any given time, which can fluctuate with the broader economy. So, here's the key takeaway. Acorns can be a fantastic way to start saving and investing with its automated roundups feature. The interest rates on their checking and emergency fund accounts are definitely competitive, often far surpassing what a traditional bank offers. But it's also important to remember that Acorns has a monthly subscription fee, which you need to factor into your overall cost. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts from online banks often have no monthly fees and offer very similar interest rates. The choice really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a hands-off approach that combines saving, investing, and banking into one app, Acorns is a powerful tool. But if your main priority is maximizing the interest earned on your cash without any monthly fees, a high-yield savings account from an online bank might be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.